The old-fashioned is a timeless classic cocktail that has been enjoyed for generations. Typically crafted with whiskey, sugar, bitters, and a twist of citrus, the old-fashioned is the epitome of balance and simplicity in a glass. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces bourbon or rye whiskey. Bourbon offers sweetness, while rye adds spice. 1 sugar cube. Alternatively, 1/2 teaspoon simple syrup can be used. 2 to 3 dashes. Angostura bitters. Adds depth and complexity. 1 twist orange peel, used for garnish and aromatic oils. 1 ice sphere or large ice cube, keeps the drink cold without diluting quickly. For equipment you will need rocks glass, bar spoon, muddler. Here are the instructions. Place the sugar cube in a rocks glass. Add the bitters to the sugar cube. Muddle the sugar cube and bitters together until the sugar is dissolved. Add the whiskey to the glass. Stir gently with a bar spoon to combine. Add the ice sphere or large ice cube to the glass. Twist the orange peel over the drink to release the citrus oils, then drop it into the glass as garnish. The old-fashioned is one of the oldest known cocktails, dating back to the early 19th century. It was originally referred to simply as a whiskey cocktail, and gained its current name in the late 1800s.